AI garden design app called Landscape AI. So you can just tap get to install it. So here is the app, AI garden design. Transform your garden in seconds, redesign your garden, 100 plus garden styles, instant results. So, there are all these AI home remodeling apps, but this is garden remodeling app. Design your dream garden in seconds with AI. AI Garden Design is the ultimate gardener, planner, and outdoor design app for creating beautiful, personalized outdoor spaces. Upload a photo of your garden, yard, terrace, patio, rooftop, and watch your outdoor space transform. Instant AI garden transformation. Custom outdoor layout planner. Explore over 10 garden styles. Design any outdoor area. Full exterior remodel tools. So yeah, this is the app. Let's just try it out. So here you can get started. So what I want, which type of garden? So for example, house, redesign your garden. You can choose from templates. So for example, you can choose this basic template, and then yeah, you can just tap. And then tap to see your design. Yearly access $60, weekly access $8. There is no free trial, but seems all right. So seems. So this is what you're getting. You can try this style. You can see what it was, how it might look like. And of course, this is not like a super professional AI designer app yet, but this is the app to, get started and just probably get some ideas from here. And then you have settings, there is support, then you can just explore all of this, and then you can create. So pretty cool, easy to use app, and yeah, it's going viral. So as you can see, like, oh, it's super easy, but yeah, it's actually a lot of people need this just to figure out and get some basic ideas for their garden. And it's super easy to do it with this specific app.